Hello, this is Mrs. Secor, and if you could find this page in your notebook, that would be great. First of all, I didn't tell you this, but SG bisects this angle ASL. So we'll mark the angles congruent. Okay, and then we'll fill in the information. ESA is 4x minus 1. This angle ASG is 3x minus 8. We also know this one is 3x minus 8. And the whole angle then equals ESL equals 7x plus 13. Now we're ready to set the equation. 4x minus 1 plus 3x minus 8 plus 3x minus 8 equals 7x plus 13. Combine like terms. Let's see, that's 10x plus minus 18, excuse me, equals 7x plus 13. Subtract 7x from both sides. 3x minus 17 equals 13. Add 17. 3x equals 30. Divide by 3. X is 10. Okay, good. Last page here. Okay, we're going to start constructions. Basic constructions. You're going to use a straight edge. You can use your ruler, but you're not going to measure with it. It'll just be a straight edge. And you're going to use your compass out of your kit that makes circles and arcs. The first construction we're doing for today is to construct a segment that's equal to this given segment. Alright, so first thing I want you to do is take a straight edge and draw a line that's longer than that black line. Alright, now I want you to take your compass out. I want you to measure the length of this segment. Using your compass. Now that you've got that length, bring it over to this line. I have to turn it around. This will be my starting end point right here. Now I'm going to draw an arc here. And I've copied the line segment. Okay, so what I'm saying is at this point A, this is equal to that, A prime, and this point B right here is B prime. They're congruent segments. All right, now let's go to our worksheet. All right, let's go up to number I want to say it's the angle where we're going to construct an angle. Let's do construction number 2. We're given an angle A. See on the left hand side this angle here? We're going to construct an angle congruent to it. The first thing we want to do again is to draw a line segment. Oops. Now we want to get the measurement of angle A. To do this, we're going to take our compass and first draw an arc. We'll place it on the vertex A, up here on the original one. Make it a little smaller. I'm going to draw an arc now that cuts both rays that make up the angle. I'm going to keep that same measurement, bring it down to this segment here, and again draw this arc. Now I need the distance from this point here to this point. So I'm going to move my compass. And get that measurement. See how this segment, there, that's the length I want to copy. So I'm going to come down here. Put my point here. And then trace my arc. I'll change a color so you can see a little better. That intersection right there is where I want to draw my line. The third construction is to bisect a segment. So let's go all the way down to number 9, a perpendicular bisector. Okay, I want to get my compass immediately. I'm going to place my compass on an endpoint and draw a very large arc above the line segment and below. Now I want to keep this same measurement and put my endpoint here on this point, and then I'm going to draw another large arc that intersects. Looks kind of like a fish, doesn't it? Where these 2 points intersect, this is what I'll connect, and I have bisected the line then. There, bisected. Okay, the final construction is to bisect an angle, number 12. We are going to draw an arc with our compass. Shorten it up a bit. Now I'm going to draw an arc that cuts both rays that make up the angle. I'm going to keep now my measurement here. Well, I may have to make it a little larger or smaller. I can do that. I'm going to draw the arc out here from this point. And now I'm not changing the measurement. I'm placing my point right here. And I'm drawing the intersection here. If I can get a hold of that point. Where these lines intersect, or these arcs intersect, I should say, that will make my my angle bisector. And thank you.